All right, guys, good morning, everybody. Let's do the recap today. Unfortunately, I didn't have a good day. I had an amazing day, actually. Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz, and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and welcome to my channel. But I just take, this Tesla trade that I shouldn't have, and I took a big size on it, and I got it. I wiped out all of my profit. Trading wise, again, the really nice trade I did on short on Tesla. I was very proud of it. And then everything else kind of didn't really work out 100%. Apple was also good. And then I took one trade that I didn't have a trade book on it. I had no reason absolutely to be on that trade. And it's just that impulsive decision, and that's why trading is such a difficult task. Everybody is amazing. I can see a lot of people, especially in Peak Capital, I can see the P&Ls, and everybody's going really well. They know how to trade, but that decision, impulsive decision that you shouldn't take that decision, is wiping out your profit. And that's why it's such a difficult thing to do. It's just very, very difficult to do, controlling yourself. It's just let me show it to you what happened. So market is gapping up a little bit today. We're expecting that we're having Jay Powell speaking. The interest rates are not going to change, but the tone of what they're going to do next year might impact the market. But the market is super strong anyways. So Apple is going near 200, has been really on the third, popped up really 1 minute opening range break up very nicely, and I saw that it's going to go up. The order flow was strong. The high of pre-market about 196.19. I said it's going to go up, and then as you see, it popped up really nicely, popped up 196.19. I sold all the way up to 96.50, and then it came down, and I got stopped out at the break-even point. So as you see, I had a really, really good trade on the Apple, and that was enough probably to stop my trading day. So about $2,400 profit on that. So that was really nice. And then Tesla was a trade that I saw that it really at the open popped up all the way to the previous day close, came down, and really started losing the VWAP. And on its 5-minute chart, again, really turned out to be that is really trying to do a 5-minute opening range breakdown. So I went short all the way up to 232.19, which is actually S4 on the pivot point. So that was also a really, really nice trade, and in bounce back, kind of got stopped out at the break even. So I had a really nice short on Tesla, and as you see here, this is the trade that I did. I went short, a stop loss above this moving averages, and then really nice spots, and it came out, I got stopped out. And then I was watching it, and I saw that a huge candlestick showed up. This is a really big squeeze, and the volume was also coming in. And I said, okay, it's going to squeeze. I went long, I added more, and eventually I got stopped out. We never really got above the VWAP. So this trade was a trade that really, I gave all of my profit back. So again, that trade was really nice. That was very profitable, and this one was really good, and I added twice. So, and this is the problem that I have. When the stock is below the VWAP, I don't have this, squeeze above the VWAP trade book. Peter has, but I don't. It's just completely impulsive decision. It came back up. I took it long again, popped up a little bit above the VWAP. That's what I was hoping to get here, and it came down. I got out anyways, and I just ended my day. And this Tesla doesn't have enough momentum to the upside, unfortunately, today. AMD was a chaos, unfortunately. So, AMD went up, dropped, I went long, I got stopped out, went back again long, I got long, and then after 2 times I said, okay, this is really doesn't work. Came back up, I went long again, I got stopped out. So 3 times loss on that, which turned out to be a $2,700 loss on that. And it's just choppy day for AMD. As you see, it's flat, had a really massive run. I took one long again around here, but overall it was really not a trade that I should have taken, and it was just messy. But the best trade for me was Tesla. It was short, was really nice, and then just making this chaotic move on that. And now AMD is bouncing, popping up again. These squeezes are a little bit misleading. You want to jump into the next move for the breakthrough, but you don't really get the breakthrough at this time 11, especially that the market is going to stay until 2:30 when the Fed's chairman Jay Powell is going to come and talk, and we'll see if the market is going to give more volatility. Brian, how was your day?
It was a pretty choppy day. I had some not great trades with Google. I ended up losing a little bit of money. I'd scalp some, and then this trade would go the other way on me, and I'd have to stop out. So I'd end up, losing a little bit. So I made some money back on an Nvidia move, sort of when it went through up through 485, started to move up, and it looked like it was going to go to R4. So I got a move there, which kind of negated a lot of my other little losses. So overall, not a great day, but I didn't expect it was going to be a good day. I kind of thought it was going to be choppy, and people are just waiting for Fed Chair Powell to speak, and then we'll see some volatility for sure.
Yeah. It is, it's kind of like that. I mean, overall, it wasn't a bad day for me. Like, it's just over trading that, I get into this over trading. Like, Apple trade was amazing, in my opinion. And, but also I did a quick similar trade on TQQ, which is kind of very similar on that. 1 million per unit break up, popped up, I got stopped out. It really so you could get some really nice profit on that. It just turned out to be, I made a fairly choppy day, even more choppier for myself. But regardless, so yesterday webinar by Thor is going to be posted on today on Education Center. Looking forward to see that, guys. Tonight is the webinar by Jared Tendler, guys. We really recruited Jared to come to our community. It wasn't easy, and so now if you come at 8 p.m. Eastern time, I'm going to be there. Mike is going to be there. We take it from the office. So he's a really great performance coach. He's done amazing work, and I hope that more and more people come and support his presentation and to show him what an amazing community we are. So I'll personally would be there. I'm reading his book, and his book is actually quite interesting. Thank you so much, guys, and all the best. Ciao.